Hi, welcome back to Vlogmas, my favorite time of year. Today, we're going to be doing a full face of my everyday makeup basket for December. Boom, boom, boom. I am just so much in the Vlogmas spirit. I will have my Vlogmas playlist linked down in the bio description box, as well as last year's Vlogmas in case you want some extra Vlogmas of much poorer quality, because last year around Vlogmas was when I started my channel. Fun, nostalgic stuff to be seen there, kiddos. If you missed the monthly makeup basket, I will link that up here. Let's do this. We're gonna prime, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the Tri-Stick. And I'm going to put this in my horrible pore zones. This stuff blurs like nobody's business. And then we're going to finish priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Primerizer. It looks and feels gross. Like something. Now I'm going to conceal some of my chin area because this breakout is real freaking bad. I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite foundation, the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. It's super healthy. Back in with the concealer. Alright. Time to sparkle up the face with the infallible Pro Glow powder, because everyone wants a sparkly under eye, right? It actually does brighten quite a bit. I'm gonna throw on some Blistex Minty Freshness Butter Bronzer. Here we go. Steve Laurent Blush. This stuff is super pigmented, so I'm tapping it on first and then working my way up to heavier. Next, I'm going to highlight with the Matte Luminizer in the tiny little baby box. There's your tiny little baby. Man, it has been a while since I had a natural highlighter on. Now I'm going to spray all that with the Milky Mist. That is some damn fine looking skin. Alright, now I'm going to throw on my Avon brow pencil. Eyes. I'm gonna start by setting my lid with Low Key. And I'm gonna already start layering these colors on my lower lash line because I know I want to bring them all down. Now I'm gonna go into my crease with Take a Hike. And I'm going to go into Vitamin D. And I'm going to do that kind of over top mix with Take a Hike. Then I'm going to take a hike on the lower lash line. And then wet, I'm going to take Lookout. Now I'm going to take some of the Sorbet Navy Blue and put that in my waterline. Well, this looks weird. And now we're done. Just kidding. So now I'm going to take my teensy weensy little Scone Smoocher Brush and I'm going to wet it a little bit. And then we're going to go into Heat Wave. Just a little bit. And then that's going to go all smooch down here. Now I'm going to throw on some Ciate Fierce Flicks Liner and the Clinique Mascara. And then throw on some Terra Copper. And there we go, I'm now ready for work. Legit, this is my everyday look today. Thank you so much for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you liked the look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it is Vlogmas. I am posting a video every fucking day of December. And feel free to skip over the videos you have no interest in. I realize a video every day for 30 days, 31 days is a lot to take in. But I got a good range of stuff, so watch what you want. Skip what you don't want. Recommend it to your friends. We'll see you in the next one.